How to clear your search activity on Instagram. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like this video and you also subscribe in our channel. And let's start. You go first and you open Instagram. After this, when your Instagram is opening, you will just go down here on your profile, open it. When your profile is open, you will just go here on this three line, then click. After this, you will go to your activity and you will go to recent searches. Then you will go here to this blue word, clear all, and you will click. Then you will click clear all history. And now, as you see here, it's clear. And that's it. I hope this video is useful and helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next.